Welcome to SmartForms 365. It's easy and fun to create powerful forms using SmartForms 365. Let's start with the key features. Completed forms can be sent to Microsoft OneNote, hence you can view the completed forms on multiple devices such as iPads, iPhones, Surface tablets and other devices. The app also supports full offline mode, which means you can create form, fill form and export results without internet connection. Also, no programming skills are required as forms can be created using simple drag and drop features. No subscription required as well, which means you don't need to pay for annual, monthly or yearly subscription. The app also comes with a WYSIWYG editor, which is what you see is what you get, which allows you to create simple and customizable forms. Also, you can see the results immediately, so you can export the data in a CSV and HTML format. It provides different question types to choose from, ranging from a simple single select, multiple select, drop down select and various other date and time to a more media rich question type like images, where user can upload an image in the form. To use SmartForms 365, follow 3 simple steps: create form, fill form and export results in HTML or a CSV format. It consists of 3 basic elements: folders, templates and records. For example, assessment is a folder. In that you have year 1 mark sheet and year 2 mark sheet as a template, and year 1 mark sheet has 50 records of students. There is no limitation on number of records each template can have, and also there is no limitation on number of template each folder can have. As we saw in the diagram, app consists of 3 basic elements. So this are all the folders. Within folders you have templates, and within templates you have records. To edit template, select the template you want to edit. So we'll select the exam assessment mark sheet and edit template. You have a different question types to choose from, ranging from simple single select drop down to more media rich question like images in the form. Just drag and drop the fields you want in your form. So we'll drag and drop image for example here. To edit the properties, select the question and edit header, which is a question title. We will change it to location, and you can see live updates of how the form will actually look in real time. You can even move questions up and down, but just by dragging and dropping. To delete specific question, just drag and drop into bin. Once you are happy with your form, click on save. As app work in Snap View as well, you can see your form in a Word document in one window and the app in another window. So you can copy paste text from your Word document into app, and you can see the updates happening live in your form and how the user is going to see the form. Once you're happy with it, click on save. There are 5 sample templates provided in a sample folder to get you started. Lecture notes template can be used, for example, when taking notes in the lecture, so you won't miss anything. Home inventory template, for example, can help you to keep track of all the inventories in your home. Customer satisfaction survey, for example, can be used to get feedback from your customer regarding your product and services. All records in the specific template can be exported as a CSV, Excel or a HTML format, or the completed individual record can be sent to OneNote and print. To send to OneNote, select print or OneNote icon. Now you will see this icon. Please note, send to OneNote feature only works if you have OneNote installed on your computer. So now we'll select send to OneNote and we say print. Now it says where you want to save this form. So in this case we will select year 1 mark sheet and click OK. Now you could see your form appearing in your OneNote notebook. As the form is now available in OneNote, it can be viewed on multiple devices such as Android devices, iPad or iPhones. To check daily summary report, click on this icon daily summary, and you could see how many new records were added on a particular day in blue, and how many records which were previously created were updated on a particular day in red. SmartForms 365 app is available on Windows Store and is free to download. You can find more information about this app on this website. We would love to hear your feedback, so please let us know your feedback on smartforms365@hotmail.com. Thanks for watching.